In this video I will help you to find orientation in cad.assyst. In the middle of your screen, you can see the working area. This is where the pattern pieces you have loaded and the new pieces you construct are displayed. On the top of the screen, you have the main menu. You can access from here to a lot of functions, activate some tools and the display of functionalities like Smart Guide or Smart Run to start the macros. Here there is the toolbar with some usual functions like load design, save design, undo, redo, plot and measure pieces and the special functions for the pleats and the darts. On the right side you find the menu area. The supplementary functions are displayed in dark grey. The main functions are displayed in light grey. You will have the possibility to use the supplementary functions while a main function will run. For example, you can start the function to reshape a curve and then decide to zoom. You will still stay in the reshape function. On the right side at the bottom, you will see the measurements while using the function measure. In the object properties you will see the piece name, the size, the rule table and the attributes of the active piece. In the dialog box you will have the information that guides you inside a function and indicates how to click. And down below you have the information line on which warnings and error messages will be displayed.